Let's lay the numbers out on a big white board, proper like, so we can see what is happening with the place value involved. First we lay down my 20 clothespins over here in this place has the 2 10s they are. And this is the 1 of the 21 in the units place. But this isn't near enough to subtract from, is it? Now notice, sweethearts, I put this 10 on a line going up and down, a movable line. Now, Willie Glenn, will you help me move 10 over to the units place? Now your Aunt Beulah Rooter has some place she can borrow from. So now we can take out Aunt Donna's 6 and take them away, subtracting them, and see how many is left.
15!
Now let's look at that subtraction project again, focusing on the numerals and a borrowing slash. Since I need to borrow a 10 from the 10s to have enough in the units to take away from, I put a borrowing slash here. 'Cause I am borrowing 10 of the 10s. And so I put a tiny 1 for the 10 that's now left by its lonesome, and a tiny 1 here for the 10 now here in the units place. And now we're ready to subtract. I start with the units place, taking the 6 from the 11, which I borrowed to get. And I get 5 in the units place. And now I just bring this 1 down here in the 10s place, meaning this 1 is really worth 10. Easy as pie. Here, have a cookie each, fresh baked, while I wash your muddy play clothes.
Great Granny, how come nobody done taught us about borrowing?
Why? 'Cause the folks that caused it are as cracked and mixed up as the egg in your cookie, are greedy, selfish, mean, and stupid, like my criminal grandson. To think they can steal borrowing away from subtraction without you ever noticing it. Greedy, selfish, mean, and stupid. And now that I look at this detergent more closely, the math on it seems all wet too. Can you see it, sweethearts?
32 don't equal 100.
No, it don't, Willie Glenn. And you done real good to put that slash going the opposite way of the borrowing slash. What does the 3x mean? concentrated, I guess, but the numbers still don't add up right. Maybe somebody's not being taught all their addition facts.
So let's go out and get some help on addition. Winnabee's taking the wet clothes,
And I'm taking this mud all out with me to figure out how come the math on it is such a mess.
And so the three pigs are trotting off to visit the Cluck family in a barnyard to get all the help with adding they seek.
Little gator.
What's been carried off from addition? Here at the barnyard, the Cluck family, called Gluck in German, wonders just what the new math has hatched. And Cluck too thinks it's cuckoo, cuckoo, and not just because she is a cuckoo bird. But adding two numbers is simple, and simple to understand.